Experiencing a black screen on your Spectrum cable box is often related to HDCP or HDMI issues. HDCP is a form of digital copy protection that requires your cable box and TV to handshake correctly. An incompatible HDCP version or a faulty HDMI connection can cause the screen to go black. Start by checking that your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the cable box and the TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV and ensure you are on the correct input. A simple power cycle of both the cable box and the TV can often resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists, your issue likely falls into HDCP or other more complex configurations, which we will resolve next. If basic checks don't work, try these solutions. First, check for a HDCP reset tool on your Spectrum box, usually found in the Settings menu. This forces a rehandshake. Next, ensure your TV settings allow HDCP pass-through. If your cable box is over 5 years old, contact Spectrum for a free upgrade to a newer model. If you are using the Spectrum app on a smart TV, check the App Store for updates. Still having problems? A common fix is swapping your HDMI cable for a newer version 2.0 or 2.1 cable. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support to see if a firmware update or cable box replacement is needed. For persistent issues, particularly during peak hours, this may indicate a broader server-side overload that Spectrum needs to address.